Hello, Year 7, and welcome to Week 3, Lesson 4, Space Station Task. So, as you can guess by the title, we're moving on to our next topic, which is space. So, we've designed for you a space station task, which you're going to start this lesson and then complete in the last 2 lessons of next week. So today what I'm going to do is talk you through the space station task, and then you can then go on to Show My Homework and have a look on Show My Homework, and this will be in a Word document as well, so you can then read through a bit more carefully on the Word document. And if you're confused about any of the bits, then come back to this video and hopefully I'll be able to explain it to you. So without further ado, the space station task. So the International Space Station is a manned satellite orbiting the Earth, and it looks like that picture on this slide. Okay, it is quite incredible. It's a feat of engineering brilliance, and it is absolutely amazing. So there's astronauts from lots of different countries living on the International Space Station at different times, carrying out different types of scientific research for mankind. So in this activity, what we're going to do is use our research skills to find out about a number of different things. Firstly, how man-made satellites orbit Earth. Secondly, what is the International Space Station and who works there? Thirdly, experiments that are carried out on the International Space Station. And lastly, what it's like to live and work in zero gravity. So you're going to be using your literacy skills to produce a booklet for other students to tell them about the International Space Station. Brief. That's what I want you to do. That's what I want you to include. So if you're at all confused about what the different slides are that you need to use, have a look at the brief. It is all there in detail. Okay, step 2, find some pictures. All right. I want to look and see some pretty amazing pictures of the International Space Station and some of the experiments that they do there, and the people who work there. Can even include for me a diagram of the space station and how satellites orbit the Earth. If you're feeling up to it, which I think all of you should be, can also do an extension for me and tell me why we're spending money on the International Space Station. Okay, it costs a lot of money to send things up to space. So why are we doing it? Can you research, please, and work out what the benefits are of having scientific research carried out in zero gravity? Other than maybe getting away from the coronavirus. Step 4, I want you to plan some subheadings to structure your booklet and the important information you want to pass on. And then step 5, you then need to submit your booklet as a Word document on Show My Homework. You're going to have to the following Sunday. So the end of week 4, that Sunday, that's when I expect your booklets to be finished and submitted on Show My Homework, either as a Word document or a PowerPoint. I'll let you have a PowerPoint because I'm feeling quite generous. So have fun with it. Practice your research skills. Practice your literacy. Okay, get your parents involved. Tell them some of the cool, interesting facts about the International Space Station, but prepare to be amazed. Space is incredible. The International Space Station is incredible. You've got 3 lessons to work on this. So this lesson today, and then the last 2 lessons of next week. So lesson 3 and 4 next week. So you've got 3 hours to work on this project. So I expect to see some incredible projects. Have fun, enjoy yourselves, and enjoy looking at the International Space Station.